Hey guys, Machines and Metal here. Just wanted to show you this Nissan Pathfinder I've got. It's a 1997 3.3 liter four-wheel drive V6 automatic transmission Nissan Pathfinder. It's filthy dirty. It's been sitting in storage for a couple of years. I bought this off a local buy and sell website for $400. It has 199,000 kilometers on it, and it's in really nice condition. It's just dirty from sitting. It's got new exhaust. The tires are new. Runs just great. I'll show you real quick. So you're probably asking yourself, why did I get this for $400? Well, truth be told, it needs a transmission. The transmission is totally dead. It will not shift into any gear, and the owner told me that when it packed it in, it was grinding and clunking and banging, and they had to have it towed home. So I found a wrecker in the area that sells automatic transmissions for $100. I just need to wait for the weather to get a little bit better, and I will yank this transmission out, head to the wrecker, exchange it for another one plus $100, come back and make a video about installing it into this truck. Then I plan to sell this. It was originally for my mother, but as you watched my previous videos, I ended up buying her the P71 Crown Victoria, and this can now go. So stay tuned if you're a Pathfinder fan. I don't know a whole lot about these. I've had a couple of them, but I've never done a transmission. Be interesting to see how this turns out. Thanks for watching.